Sumter Today is presented by the Sumter Opera House, USC Sumter, and Prisma Health. Welcome to Sumter Today. I'm Kayla Green. Prisma Health is a sponsor of this show, but that's not the only way the hospital system gives back to its communities. On Thursday, 16 volunteers from Prisma Health Tuomey Hospital in Sumter participated in a home build for a Habitat for Humanity home in Sumter. The build was part of the largest single-day multi-site construction project in the state for Habitat, and it was made possible by donations and volunteers from Prisma Health. In total, 8 homes were built in 6 counties, so we stopped by the Sumter site to learn more.
And I went in one day and the lady told me, she said, they're doing the homes again for Habitat. So I said, well, what do I have to do? She said, just get the application there, you fill it out, and then you go to the meeting. And that's what I did. She called me and said they were picking out people who would get a house. So she knocked on my door and I was like, oh my goodness. And it just feels so good. There was nights I couldn't sleep and I was like, I can't believe this is happening. And it is. It is.
You know, the dream of owning a home has always been part of the American dream, and to be able to have an affordable, safe house is something that most people would aspire to, and certainly, you know, we are very, very happy to support Habitat for Humanity, both with our sweat equity as well as our donations, to ensure that their mission is able to continue, just like, because it just benefits every single community they're in. It's hard to argue with their mission. It's actually really refreshing to be able to get out of the hospital and really be able to give back. But also, in this particular situation where we asked for volunteers, we have 16 volunteers here today from locally, and we had an overwhelming response. We had to cut back the number of people who wanted to participate only because, you know, too many hands will quickly get in the way. So.
People have the power to make a lasting impact through acts of kindness, compassion, and strength. They inspire us to innovate and educate, to do more than we ever thought possible, to help you be your healthiest you. Prisma Health, inspired by you.
So Prisma Health is just a network of facilities across communities across the upstate, between our hospitals, our ambulatory centers, and physician offices. So we cover such a wide piece of geography across the state of South Carolina that we are deeply embedded in every community where we are. And to become part of a community hospital, and therefore any community, you have to really give back. And it's something we take very seriously. Every employee that pretty much works at any Prisma facility, but certainly in Sumter at Tuomey Hospital, is a local person. They're our friends and neighbors we see every single day. And our people take that commitment very seriously. And it's a way for us to show to their neighbors, their friends, their families how much we honor the ability and also the privilege of taking care of those folks in our hospitals, in our physician offices, and everywhere else we are.
Welcome back. That's it for today's show. From the Sumter Item, I'm Kayla Green. Have a good weekend. We'll see you on Monday.